If you're still replying to business WhatsApp messages manually, then you're totally wasting your time. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in this video, we are going to fix this problem permanently by deploying an advanced AI WhatsApp assistant powered by OpenAI. So this AI assistant understands the context, answer complex questions about your business, and handle customer communication on complete autopilot. So now let me show you how to create this amazing advanced AI WhatsApp assistant. And for that we are going to use an amazing automation tool provided by Pabbly, that is Pabbly Chatflow. But let me firstly show you the real-time working of this AI assistant, and afterwards we will build it step by step. And for that you have to move towards my WhatsApp with me. So right here I'm going to act as a user, and here I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is, hey, I need help. So here I'm going to enter this message, and now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. And right here you can see that I'm getting this message which says, absolutely, I would be happy to help. And right here we are getting the response by my AI assistant. So here I have created my AI assistant for my digital marketing business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. Whether you are running any service-based business, any online business, any agency, coaching institute, or whatever business you are running, this WhatsApp chatbot is going to work for your business. And now here I'm going to enter a random question to check whether we are getting the answer of my question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, do you provide website development services? Now let's wait for the response. And right here you can see that we are getting this answer which says, yes, Growth Spark Digital provides website development services. Now let's enter one more question to check its proper working. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, how do I get started? Now let's wait for the response. And now one question might be arising in your mind, that how I'm getting the answer according to my business. So I'm getting it because I have provided knowledge base to my AI assistant. And right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question as well. So now you have seen that this AI assistant is responding to all my queries. And now let me show you the knowledge base which basically acts as a brain for your AI assistant. So here you can see that this is the knowledge base, a document containing details of my business. So right here you can see that I have started with my business overview, which tells my AI assistant what my business about is and who my target audience is. And afterwards I have entered all the services offered by my business, and here you can check out all the rest of the details too. So my AI assistant fetched the data from this particular knowledge base and resolve all the queries of my customer. And now let me show you how to create it by using Pabbly Chatflow. And for that you have to move towards the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on the AI assistant page, which you can get by typing the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, and you will be landed to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this AI assistant for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this AI assistant and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards our AI assistant page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And here on this AI instruction section, we are going to select my instruction type as AI agent, but you can select another instruction type as well. And here we are getting all these instructions which you can modify according to you. And afterwards on this AI configuration section, we are going to set the temperature. So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But for now I am going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most suitable temperature. And afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the AI to use and the model of our OpenAI. And now here we have to enter the API key, and for getting this API key you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page given over the help text, which will help us to build a connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Chatflow. And right here you just have to click over this create new secret key button, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and your API key will be created if you are using a paid account. But for now I already have my API key which I have entered. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here it is saved successfully. Now from this AI assistant settings section, you can modify some of your AI assistant settings, such as you can provide the header or the footer message by just enabling these toggles. And afterwards we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I'm going to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone type this message that is stop. So here I'm going to make this word as my stop keyword, but I'm going to keep it as disable only, as it was just for the demo. And afterwards we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range is from 1 to 10. So you can enter the number from 1 to 10. And at last we are getting this option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and you can modify it according to you. Now let's move on towards our next tab, that is knowledge source, where we have to provide the knowledge base to our AI assistant, basically the brain of our AI assistant. So here you can upload your file either in .txt or .pdf file format. And now for uploading it we just have to click over this button, and right here for uploading a new knowledge base we just have to click over this add new file. And here you can see on my download section I'm getting this knowledge base for digital marketing agency, so I'm going to just upload it. And right here you can see that I have successfully uploaded my knowledge base, which I'm going to insert over my AI assistant. And right here you can see that my file has been uploaded successfully, and we are getting the name and the vector ID of the knowledge base. So now you have provided the brain of your AI assistant, that is the knowledge base. Now let's configure assistant interface. So here we are getting this first field for entering the header display heading name. So here I'm going to enter it as Growth Spark Digital, and as I have entered this heading name, you might have observed one change, and that too in the preview of your AI assistant, that we are getting the same heading name, and afterwards we are getting this option for header display subheading name. And here we are already getting a subheading name which can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant. So you can provide the heading name and the subheading name. And here for the initial message, we are already getting this initial message over the preview, so you can provide two initial messages over here. Now for this field, that is display the powered by Pabbly label, you can either enable it or disable it. Now let's disable it and see the changes. And right here you can see that powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I'm going to keep it as enable only. And here you can see that powered by Pabbly label can be seen. And now for this field, that is footer text, you can provide it, and you can provide the footer link too. And at last we are getting this option for users first message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. Now let's customize the visual appearance on the styling tab. So here you can select the preferred theme mode of your AI assistant, the preferred assistant shape, and you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And you can even provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture too. So now this is the simple process for creating this advanced WhatsApp AI assistant, which is going to respond to all your customer queries. And now we just have to enable it by activating this toggle, and for saving it we simply have to click over the Save AI Assistant. And now if you wish to embed this AI assistant to your website, then you just have to click over this embed button, and right here we are getting the script code which you can paste over your business, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your business. So now you have seen how you can create this amazing AI assistant. And now one more important task is remaining, that is enabling AI assistant for your all contact or a particular contact list. And for that you just have to go towards the settings, and here you have to select inbox settings, and here you have to just scroll down, and at last we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies, which you have to keep enable. And from this field you can select your contact list or your all contact for which you want to enable this AI assistant, and from this field of AI assistant you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So this is the process for enabling AI assistant for your all contact or a particular contact list. Now let me show you how to enable it for a particular chat. And for that you just have to move towards my inbox with me, and right here I'm going to enable it for this particular chat. And right here you can see in this particular chat we are getting this option for choose AI assistant which you have to enable, and from this field you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So here I have selected the AI assistant, and right here you can see that my AI assistant has been enabled successfully for this particular chat. So now as soon as this user will message me, the answer will be provided by my AI assistant. And now in this way you can upgrade your business by automating your customers chat using WhatsApp AI assistant. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and grow your business with us. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT for buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.